In this video, we're going to cover Connect environment model data structure and references. This file we're looking at is a container file. It contains two separate corridors and geometry and a terrain. As you can see here in the reference dialog, the alignments are all separated into their own individual files, whether that be alignment 1 or alignment 2. They share the same terrain area, so there's only one terrain, although depending on the project, you may have multiple terrains. If your project is small enough, you may determine that only one file is needed. However, if you're working with a team of people, it's almost always preferable to split up your alignments into their own files. As you can see here in the model dialog under your Explorer window, you can open up each reference model and look at what alignments, profiles, corridors are present in each reference dialog. If there's a dependency, you'll see the dependency. For instance, there's a profile and alignment dependency on this particular file here for Geometry 1. The terrain model, it has an existing terrain, corridor. There is an alignment that is attached to it that's associated with that corridor, but you can expand it out further and you can see that there are template drops and there are even components that you can pull up and see exactly what's attached to it. You can view a lot of these attributes here in the container file, but to make changes with anything other than just the view, if you want to make an actual change to, let's say you want to adjust your template drop stationing, you'll have to go into that corridor file to make that change. Do not duplicate alignments or corridor elements in multiple files. That's asking for trouble. One final thing, don't try to store horizontal line work all in one file. Split it up just like you do your corridor and geometry based on the alignment that it's associated with. Just like almost everything else in the Connect environment, you want to try to use references wherever possible. Do not duplicate information or data between files. It's asking for trouble. You can reference in your line work from another file and use it for targeting, just like you could in previous versions of Select Series OpenRoads technology.